welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and you are enjoying my videos. If you are new on this channel, then let me tell you that I am Simran and I create makeup tutorials for you all. And today in this video, I'm going to share with you all how you can create your cut crease eye look, that too in simplest, easiest and quickest way possible, like I have done today. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So guys, I have already prepared my face and now I'm going to show you the products with which I have done my face. So the first product that I have used is this LAKME Absolute Youth Infinity Primer. And then if you're my constant follower, you must be knowing that I don't prefer using a foundation on my skin. I'd rather use a BB cream. So next I have applied my Pond's BB cream, which is in the shade 01 Original. And after that I have used my Note Concealer, which is in the shade 02 Natural Beige. So now I'm going to start off with my eyes. So to start with my eyes, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty palette. But before that, I'm going to conceal my eyes. So once I have concealed my eyes, I'm going to start with this transition shade. I'm going to take a little bit on my blending brush and start applying it in my crease. Now next I'm going to use this shade from the palette, which is Cocoa.
Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Now once you're done with this, next step is to take your flat brush and actually cut your crease with your concealer. I'm going to start with the inner side of my eye and gradually move towards the outside. And now I'm going to take any light shade, which is this one, and pack my eyelid with that. Now even if your cut crease didn't come out to be that smooth, it's okay. You don't have to worry about that, because when you cover your eyelid with any light shade, it automatically diffuses those lines. And after this, I'm going to add my liquid eyeliner to my look. I use the LAKME Absolute Shine Line Eyeliner. So guys, this is how the eye looks, and now I'm going to move towards my eyebrows, and for that I'm going to use my Sugar Cosmetics Brow Definer, which is in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. So guys, my eyebrows are all done. I like to keep the shape of my eyebrows a little bit natural, and yes, this is how they look. And now I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply some mascara on that. Also, I'm not a fan of false lashes. I don't apply false lashes. Yes, I do apply them, but occasionally. But for my daily looks, I don't apply false lashes, and that's why I really apply a thick layer of my mascara. And now for my under eyes, I'm going to use the same shade that I applied it for my crease. And finally, I'm going to add some kajal to my look. So guys, as this eye is all done, you can see the difference in both the eyes. And now I'm going to quickly complete this one and get back to you. So guys, our second eye is also done, and now I'm going to quickly finish up with my face and show you the final look.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
For the last step, I'm going to add some highlighter to my look. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics highlighter, which is in the shade 02 Gold Glory.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, 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 I hate all this overthinking.
So guys, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do let me know in the comment section below your views about this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and do hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.
And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting